Hi everyone, today I have another video for you. It's a microwave. It's a premium microwave. The model is ST720 MBLK. The complaint with this microwave is everything seems to be working but no heat. It's not producing any heat. So I've already taken the cover off because I want to shorten the time, the video length. And I'm going to do some testing to find out what is the issue here. So first thing I want to do is unplug the magnetron, remove the, just in case, get it out of the way. So I'm going to remove it out of the way, the wires, make sure they don't touch. And I'm going to check for voltage on this main transformer, because this is the transformer that actually produces the voltage for the magnetron to run. So if this transformer is not receiving any voltage, then that might be an issue. Also, it can be the issue with the magnetron itself. So let's do some testing. So I plug it in, and I'm going to check for, by the way, this is 110 volts. So I'm going to check for 110 volts on the primary of this transformer. Remember, we don't use schematics in this workshop. So here we go. 1 minute, it's running, and 0 volts. We're not getting any voltage here, so we're going to check from 1 to the relay now. This is the relay that switches the current on. So I'm going to take the neutral, I'm going to go to the contact on the relay. As you can see, I have 126 volts on one pin, and on the other pin that's supposed to take the current to the magnetron, I'm having 0.028 volts, meaning that this relay is not transferring the current. The contacts are probably burnt out or something. So I'm going to take the relay out, we're going to check it, and if possible replace it, and then we can see what's going to happen. Okay? So I have to disassemble the front panel to get to the circuit board. So I'm still working on removing the relay. By the way, I can hear the click on the relay when I tested this thing. But that doesn't mean that the relay is actually functioning. So I'm going to take it out off the board and give it a test. Okay? So you got a chance to see how I test these relays, microwave relays. I'm going to test it so that you can have an off-hand experience. So if at any time you want to test one of these relays, at least you know how to go about it. So this is the relay. So how I test it, I use my tester, I put it on continuity. I must hear this, that sound. So we put one here, put another one here, and this is the relay coil. We'll apply 12 volts here. So let me get 12 volts. So when I apply 12 volts to this coil, you're going to hear a click, and the continuity meter is supposed to buzz. Nothing. I can hear the click. but no buzzing. Means the relay is bad, the contacts are bad. So we're going to change that one out. So the relay is 12 volts DC, 10 amperes. Good. So this one seems to be working. Can you hear the beep? Continuity. Apply 12 volts. Continuity. So this relay is fine. We're going to stick this one in. See what's going to happen. So guys, I have it all resoldered. So I'm just going to replace it. And then we're going to test it. Remember guys, the microwave has a lot of dangerous voltage present, so if you want to follow along with this video, do so at your own risk. So I'm just going to get some water. I'm going to reconnect the magnetron. Good. Put some power on. And there we go. There's a certain sound you hear from the magnetron when it starts to function, a little kind of sound. That tells you that the magnetron is running, right? Now, I'm gonna give it like 30 seconds. The water should be reasonably hot. So, counting down. 30. Let's check the water. Yeah, the water is hot enough. So there you go guys, another microwave saved from the trash, working. So I'm just going to reassemble, give it back to the customer. Thank you guys for watching. If this video can help you, please give a like. If you can help someone else, please share it. Please subscribe. If you have any comments, comment below. Take care.